these lengthen your leg, they can correct deformities, and they can move bone down inside. And you can see they're very magnetic. Basically, they're magnetic driven. Inside these nails is a small little magnet, and it's attached to a worm gear, much like a car jack. And so as you spin the magnet on the inside, it acts like a car jack and slowly distracts. You can see this tip will slowly go down like that. And you activate this with a device that you place on the outside of your leg. It's like a Campbell's soup cans, only modern. And you push the button, and these two big magnets in the Campbell's soup cans go round and round and round. And they actually spin the magnet inside this nail, which then causes this to distract. So the patient just puts the device on their leg, clicks the button 3 times a day, and within 24 hours it'll lengthen 1 millimeter. So it takes about 7 minutes every time you do this. A little time consuming, but basically you do it 3 times a day and you gain 1 millimeter of height, or you move the bone 1 millimeter. It takes a little bit of time. In her case, I think it took about 40 days because we had to transport the bone inside her leg of about 4 to 5 centimeters. So if you go at 1 millimeter a day, that's 40 days, 50 days. Then you say, well, okay, you move bone down. What happens to, that's where you moved it, what happens there? Well, that bone automatically fills in by itself. It's analogous to pulling taffy. So we cut the bone, we make a fracture, we let the fracture start to heal, and then we actually grab that bone and pull it down to bridge the gap. And this early bone healing is like taffy. It kind of stretches, elongates, and then when we're done, it heals. So you don't need a bone graft for that, and you don't need a bone graft for the defect. So it's a nice way to, move a lot of bone without extra surgery. So in her, well, first we had to clean out the area of infection. So we took out a section of bone. It was about 4 to 5 centimeters, and we filled that area with an antibiotic bone cement, which meant that it would sterilize that area. Once the area was sterilized, we then came back probably 6 weeks later and put the special rod down, cut the bone, and then Jamie, after about, I think, 7 to 10 days, started with the pop cans, the soup cans, turning the nail on the inside, and over the course of 40 to 50 days, she moved the bone down inside her leg.